Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick review on Perfection. Now, if you don't remember the game Perfection, it's an absolutely awesome game. I remember as a kid. This is for age 5+. This is a little bit different than we had when we were a kid. This is what it looks like right here. This is how the game works. Really, really simple and simple to use. So you get these two different colors. Two different people can play, or you can play singly. Up to you. The idea is to beat the clock. So really simple. What's different about this one here, they have different variations. You can actually move some of these lines, and you can actually have different configurations, up to 250 different tray variations, which is actually something a little different that we did not have that as kids. So you can move these around and have different variations. So that's different. So you can move them around. That way people get used to where they go. This way you can change it around. That's what's different about that. It's got the clock. You start the timer, you push down, and the idea is to get them, as you know, is get them all into here before the time runs out. That's the idea. So you have different people playing, and boom, and just like that, you lose if you don't get them all in a certain time. So you can stop the timer like this here, set it up again with the timer. Let me show you that again. You can stop and start the timer, so if you finish, we can just stop it. So that's pretty much super easy. Also, it has the, you can just reset it back up again if you weren't sure. This is, stop that. This is where all the pins go, all the game pieces go inside here, inside the tray. And so it's a really great game, very well built. It has the instructions. Everything's all confined into one spot, which I like. Easy to use, easy to navigate. Also, the back does have the instructions. If you want to read that, go right ahead. Again, nice quality. The idea, again, is to put it down, and then you race against the clock. And that's how that works. And if you finish, you can just hit the stop button, and as you finish, you can win. If you don't, it'll pop up, and you lose, and you have to start all over again. And that's like that. All right, guys, so I just want to make it just a quick video and show you a little bit about Perfection. Here is, let me give you a little close-up how it looks like. There's the timer. The stop and start button, all the game pieces are in here. This resets the pop-up for the game itself. Well made out of high quality plastic. Timer seems to work well, and it's a great game for the kids. Again, 5+ from Hasbro. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. I love Perfection. I loved it as a kid. I think your kids will love it, and it's great for adults too as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, don't forget to follow this channel for more. Appreciate your time as always, and thanks for watching, and make it a great day.